can you begin rolling your left fist downwards, meaning in the direction towards your feet. And then come back and just keep doing this movement a few times. And you do it very gently, so we're not interested in going far. We're trying to see how little effort can we use to help us achieve a certain aim. Each time that you roll the fist downwards, and if you want to go a bit further, can you lift the left shoulder up, away from the floor a bit, and you see you can go further, and then come back. And what else can you do? So maybe rolling your head. Is it easier to roll your head towards the left hand or away from the left hand? Or you can fold diagonally in the chest, and you shift the weight onto the right. And do it very gently, always breathing. Rest, bring your arms slowly down. Just by doing this simple movement, has it changed the feeling of your breathing from the left side to the right side? And can you roll your head a bit from side to side? And see, is it easier to the right or to the left? And no need to push the head. So even at the beginning of the movement, you can notice that there's a difference in quality towards the right and towards the left. When does your chest move down and back? And instead of sending your head upwards, can you send your head backwards in space? So how does the freedom of your arms come from a flexibility, an adaptability of your spine? And can you roll one fist upwards as the other one rolls down? Feel if your arms are longer, if your shoulders feel wider, and how is the experience of your breathing? So when you're ready, can you please roll up through one side and then come to standing? And take your time. Feel what's new. What do you feel like doing? What's more possible? And have a walk around. So how was your experience of that Feldenkrais lesson? It's called rolling the fists.
Yeah, I feel like at first when Paul asked us to do, can you do it like one arm to the front and one to the back? I'm like this, it's like not cooperating both hands. But after some moves, it's started to be more smooth, and not just only smooth, as I realized, actually I can turn not just the rotator of the shoulder, I can go so deep that I can even use my head to have it. So when I do it like this, it's actually using more of every part of my body, but less effort. Mm-hmm. And then as I'm standing up walking, in the end, I feel like there's more space in my body, and it's like there's a lot of heavy weight inside being stripped down. It's real great.